Hi everyone, so I have an unboxing that I want to do today. I've been wanting another like Halloweenish type Loungefly, and this one has kind of been on my wish list for a very long time. So I'm going to be showing this to you guys. This is not a new style though. This is actually an older style bag, and I think a few months ago Amazon like released it back on there, so that's where I got it from. So I'll do what I always do and I'll fast forward this whole part. I hope that the placement is nice. It's an all over print, so I'm just hoping that it looks decent, because anything with all over prints, of course you order them online, you don't really get to see what they look like in person, so you don't really get to choose your placement, right? This is it. So it's the Nightmare Before Christmas backpack, and I'm really glad that I got Oogie Boogie in the front, because I really like the color. I really like the color scheme. I'm kind of disappointed that I didn't get a Sally, so I was debating, like, if I don't like the placement, that I might like exchange it or return it. I don't know, I really got to think about it. But I really like the way it looks. It is very pretty. I'm just kind of disappointed at the placement, and because this wasn't cheap. This was kind of, for me, to be honest, like the price that I paid for this is kind of expensive for a Loungefly. Like I'm one of those people that doesn't like spending like more than, I guess, 100 on a Loungefly. I think that's kind of high, and this was kind of like within that range. So I don't know. I'm gonna see. It is really cute still. It is really pretty, but I'll just kind of show you what the placement that I got looks like. So that's it. I guess you'll let me know what you guys think. It is a really pretty bag. But yeah, that's about it. So I'm gonna go for now, and I guess I will see you all in my next one. Bye everyone.